Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over another medium premium question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any help, and I thought it was pretty straightforward. So let's go over it and let me show you how I did it. This one's called Find Trending Hashtags number 3087. So basically what they're asking you to do is to find the top 3 trending hashtags in this month. So basically what that means is, for example, if you look at the examples, happy day appears 3 times in total, 3, and tech life appears 2 times in total, and then work life appears 1 time in total. So just tally those up and then try to sort by the count, so the biggest comes first, and then by this in descending order, so the alphabetically closer to Z's hashtag comes first as well. So let's go ahead and first get the frequency of the hashtag words. So for IT and enumerate tweets, tweet, and let's create a default dict of type integer to count the frequencies. So this is a string. So what we're going to do is say current equals t.split by the white space so that we have a nice list, and that's just going to let us print by what we see. So make sure if we get to a string, the first one is a hashtag, then it's valid. So first of all, if for C and current, so there might be some empty strings. So if C exists, if C of 0 is equal to a hashtag, then that's a valid word that we want. So we can say D of C, the whole word itself. We're seeing it one more time. So from 0 frequency to 1 frequency. And let's print our dictionary. Cool. So now we basically have everything we need, and we want to get the top 3. So let's go ahead and first iterate over this dictionary and gather the results. So we're going to pen K and then DK, so the word, and then how many times it appeared in total. And then now we want to sort by the count of hashtag and hashtag in descending order. So answer.sort key equals lambda x x. So the count of the hashtag is 1 because that's the index 1, aka the second element, and then the hashtag in descending order. So let's print answer, and what I found out is you can't sort a hashtag by the negative order. So we're going to have to be a little creative here. So what I managed to figure out was that let's just go ahead and sort x1, x0 and see what we get. So this is obviously not what we want. So basically what we have is we're sorting by this already. So the biggest one's going to go to the rightmost side, and then we're sorting by this. That means the smallest one, or yeah, the biggest one is also going to go to the rightmost side, but this takes priority. So what we can do now is just get the last 3. Okay, and you can see that's lines up with what we see. So let's go ahead and say our need is going to be answer of -3 to the end, and that's what you get. So now let's just go ahead and gather the results, because now we basically have everything we need. Okay, so now we can just say for n and need, 1.append and 0, so hashtag column and then hashtag count column, 2.append and 1, and then make our data frame as usual, standard stuff. So hashtag is equal to 1, setting the first and the second columns. Hashtag count is 2, and then return it. Okay, run it. Okay, so since we got the last 3 again, because of the way we sorted it, we have to go in reverse order. Okay, let's submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. Again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any assistance and solve it relatively easily. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.